Hey everyone, this is Ian from Benzinga here at the Hood Summit 2025 with Steve Quirk, the Chief Brokerage Officer from Robinhood. Steve, thanks for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
I just saw you on stage. How's the energy today?
Surprisingly good. I mean, it is Vegas, so you always worry about a morning session, but I got to tell you, the coffee must be strong.
Yeah. I mean, everyone's really excited to be here. Super excited to chat with you as well.
Oh, thanks for having me.
So, you've been in the financial services space for a while. You were at Thinkorswim running that for TD Ameritrade. Based on your experience, what makes you super excited about being at Robinhood right now?
I should point out, I think we were the first customer of Benzinga.
Oh, okay.
At Thinkorswim.
Oh,
Yes,
okay.
So had a long relationship.
Thank you so much.
Oh no, it's been a great long relationship, and we love it. I think what has us most excited is, you've seen the enthusiasm. We have 1,000 customers here. They're very passionate about everything that we do and everything we do with them. And so I think some of the things that we just rolled out, like social, which if you think about social, social's been done many ways, but doing it in a way that's going to benefit both a very active, engaged, and knowledgeable trader and help somebody who's brand new to the markets. Because we have 26 million customers, 13 million of them have never been in the market before. And so being able to sort of shadow somebody who's got more experience, tariff news comes out, oh my gosh, what do? I don't know how to handle this.
Yeah.
It's just so helpful.
Yeah. No, I think you guys touched upon it yesterday on stage, but I think one of the really interesting things about Robinhood Social in particular is the trust aspect, right?
Yeah.
There's so much fake news on social media, and like with AI nowadays, you can doctor up a screenshot pretty easily.
Yep.
So can you talk a little bit about why that's such a powerful mechanism for the Robinhood Social feature?
Sure. So in my experience, I've tried social and done social for quite some time. So I sort of know the traps, pump and dump message boards where there's really nothing behind it. Those are, when people get sucked into that, it's a terrible experience.
Yeah.
And so while we want to empower our investors, we also have to protect them and make sure that everything that they're seeing is valid. So there will be a trade behind everything that's posted there. Now, if I'm a person that doesn't want you to see my P&L or doesn't want certain aspects of that visible, cool, you can do whatever you want. A lot of people are pretty open about what they do. They're even when they don't have a winning trade, they're like, look, I'm just like you.
You can see all the Robinhood screenshots on X all the time.
They're all the time. Yeah.
Yeah.
We're just making it far easier to do that in a place which I think is what I call safer. But I think the thing that's unique about it is we have every asset class in there, including the prediction markets. So
Yeah.
there's nothing on social where you can do that.
Right. And I think the signal that you can get from a really concentrated and knowledgeable community is really strong as well.
Especially when you can look at their history and say like, okay, this person's been investing for 5 years. They have a proven track record. They seem to navigate volatile markets well. I like this person. I'm going to follow them, and I can be alerted when they take an action.
Yeah. One of my other favorite features that you guys launched was sort of the vibe coding for technical
Yeah,
analysis. Maybe you could talk a little bit about that and how that, how those new tools can unlock a lot of new experiences for traders.
Yeah, as you and I were talking about a little bit before we got started, having had some experience with scripting languages, everybody likes them. I mean, I would love a scanner to tell me what's breaking out, what has a potential to break out, but I don't have time or the wherewithal to understand exactly how I'm supposed to script that. And so having the ability to do that in a natural language that's game changing. Like anybody can do it.
Yeah.
Like everybody wants to do it. There's only a small percentage of people who can do it. And now you've just opened the doors for anybody to do it.
Yeah, and the democratization of that new technology, I think, can unlock a ton of different opportunities for traders.
If you think about it, it's kind of like, when everybody wanted to do algo trading.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And but nobody, knew how to write
building your own algorithm is not easy.
Not easy.
Yeah.
So now I have the ability to just do that. Yeah, which is really cool.
So as a trader yourself, what's your favorite feature that you guys launched so far?
I actually trade quite a few. I trade all the time. So I don't want to be limited when I trade. So we rolled out equities, 1,000 symbols, 24/5. I also trade a lot of futures though.
You said that yesterday on stage. Yeah.
Because I just like the fact that there's less rules.
Yeah.
No pattern day trading, short, this, that, all those things.
Yeah.
Like in the futures market, you see an opportunity and it's fast moving,
Yeah.
and you just take advantage of it. So I kind of use it as a complement to my equity option portfolio, the futures markets.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that's the thing that's gotten you really excited.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Because we're doing a lot there.
Yeah.
You know, we did the ladder, and then now we're on Legend, and there's just a lot of opportunities there for customers. Yeah.
And before I let you go, let's talk a little bit about prediction markets. I mean, it's something that a lot of traders are really excited by. You see companies like Kalshi that are doing great.
Yep.
Tell us a little bit about how you guys are thinking about it and what makes the Robinhood experience unique compared to everyone else.
I think what makes it unique is we have the whole gamut. So we had numbers this morning, which people can make predictions on the CPI, PPI, unemployment, all the interest rate. Yeah, exactly.
Numbers. Yeah.
And even if you're not making a prediction on those, people actually look at it because they want to see the information and understand, hey, this is going to impact my portfolio. If I have financials, if they're going to cut 50 basis points, that's going to have an impact on my portfolio. So even if they're not trading them, it's an awesome source of information. Same thing on the sports side.
Yeah.
Like, we can have millions of people on our app on a Saturday night.
Yeah.
Because they're
pretty unheard of for a financial services company.
Exactly. So it gives them a place to do this all. And by the way, that's also visible on social as well.
Okay.
So that's going to be a game changer.
Yeah, I mean, people love, as you can see from like other DraftKings and other companies, everyone loves fantasy sports, and bringing that experience and making that a bit more polished for Robinhood makes a ton of sense.
Yeah.
Well, Steve, thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you for having me. I appreciate it.
Thanks.
Thank you.